In this video, we're going to be replacing a hose faucet through the side of a cabinet because the hose bib was apparently bent somewhere along the lines over the years and has become hard to use for the owner.
Okay, so the hose bib is at 19 inches off the floor of the cabinet. I've already done all the math and measured it from outside. So hopefully we hit it the first try. So 19, that's the center. Alright, and we're gonna do 8 by 8 first. If we have to go bigger, we will. Leave a little bit of room there. Well, there it is in all of its ugliness. CPVC. Well, that is a problem. I can't leave that fitting on there. Guess we're gonna see what kind of transitions we got in the truck. From the CPVC adapter. Shocker. Not sure if you can see how bent that is. That might be a better shot. Wow. Okay, these are our options. Unfortunately, I don't have any CPVC glue, so that's a problem. We're probably going to use this one. Unfortunately. I do have a new seal for that. Once I cut it, that's it. It's cut. I think it's the right thing to do, though.
When cutting CPVC, especially older CPVC, rock your cutters and take your time. Don't get in a hurry and try to snap right through it. You'll split the pipe at least several inches on either side of your cut.
Crack right there. Kind of hard to tell. Also had Pro Dope on it. This is going to be really interesting.
when you're in a tight spot like I am here and your roll of Teflon won't fit around the pipe you're trying to put it on, find something else like a pencil, anything small and round that will fit around the backside of the tight area, and roll your Teflon onto there, basically making a smaller diameter roll of Teflon. It'll definitely help. I didn't pull the hose bib out and put it on because I didn't want to damage the Teflon tape shoving it back in through from the outside. You always want to wrap your Teflon tape in a clockwise direction. That way when you're putting on your fitting, it doesn't basically unravel the Teflon that you just put on.
You don't have to do this. It's just the only way I've ever done it. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Putting a little bevel on there just to try and avoid cutting that O-ring. Best thing to do is to always mark the insert depth.
This particular shark bite fitting has these plastic keepers that snap onto the body of it. And you also don't have to use a tool to remove this style shark bite fitting either.
I don't like using a shark bite, but because it's CPVC, and that glue technically takes 3 to 6 hours to technically set up, it's really the best option in this situation because there's no valve in here or anything. So, yep. Alright, so we're going to turn on the water. Alright, let's go outside and run some water through it and see what we got. Alright, looks good, all dry. Put our access panel on. We're going to use some stainless screws.
I removed the handle when I screw in the hose faucet so that I can make sure the screws go in straight and not have to work around the handle.
Y'all wondering what bit I used? This is when I buy the nitrous carbide. Pretty badass.
Thanks for watching. If you guys liked the video, make sure you click that like button. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out.